Hey friends, LOKLiK just sent me their new iEngraver laser cutting machine and I can't wait to get started with it. I'm excited to see what LOKLiK has in store for us. All of their products are well priced and the quality is always excellent. Before I get started, I am going to put this together and I was a little intimidated, but it was much easier than expected. So just follow along with me, and when it's all put together, we'll see what we can do with it. The first thing you need to do is remove the stabilizers on the bar that holds the laser. These are put on for shipping so it doesn't move around. Save the screws just in case, you never know if you'll need them. Next, we're adding the leg extensions. Just screw them together, add the pads at the bottom of each leg, and then attach them to the laser base. Easy peasy. Next, we're going to secure the cords on the inside of the laser with the included cable clips and ties. Screw on the Wi-Fi module. Next, add the angle brackets to the edge of the laser. These secure the cover to the laser. Each piece of the cover is labeled, so keep the protective plastic and labels on until you're ready to attach them to the laser. Peel off the plastic and screw them to the angle brackets. Start with the left side first. Now the right side. Next, the fan, which is in the back. Thread the fan cable through the hole on the left-hand side. Attach the cables in the front of the laser on each side. They might be hiding, so carefully fish them out. Add the handle to the front, then the U-shaped connector bar to the front panel, then the front part of the top. Add the U-shaped connector to the back top and connect it above the fan. Add the hinges and the cover is complete. Secure the exhaust hose to the fan with the hose clip. Adhere the light strip inside. I stuck mine on the back panel right up against the hinge bar. Slide in the laser module and secure it, then connect the power cord. Plug in the USB cord, the start key, and add the TIFF card. Power it up, turn on the light and the fan, and you're all set up. To start using the laser, you want to download the free LOKLiK app, select the LOKLiK iEngrave, and connect it to your network. In it, you can see all of the free images they offer for engraving and cutting. There are tons of them, so you can get started right away with your first project. I love using 3mm basswood, so I'm starting with that. Place the basswood on the base of the laser, slide the switch on the side, and make sure that the lever is a fraction of a millimeter above your substrate. If you need to, you can adjust the height of the laser here. Then slide the switch again and bring the lever back up. Pick your image. My name's Mark, so I'm going with this one. Press Go Design and it will automatically appear on the canvas where you can position it and adjust the size. Press the arrow so you can choose Engrave or Cut. I'm going to engrave first. Then select your material, then Next. Press the Origin button to position the laser in the upper left corner, then press the Frame button so you can position the image on the substrate. Next, press Add to Task, then name the project and start engraving. This is pretty fantastic for my first project. Now let's try cutting something. I'm going with a star here. Follow the prompts like before, and instead of engrave, you'll select cut. Now that we know it works beautifully on 3mm basswood, I'm going to try a metal business card and some leather, just to see what it can do. Here I'm typing Mark with the text onto the canvas and selecting an anodized aluminum business card as my substrate. Once it's framed, I'm ready to laser. Perfect. Because my leather doesn't lie perfectly flat, I'm going to tape it down to some basswood, position my laser, and try a couple of different designs. The first is an intricate mandala. Next, I'm going to engrave a skull with flowers. This looks amazing. Okay, because I like basswood so much, I'm going to try cutting a heart. Okay, I'm getting carried away. I wanted to cut the letter M too. For this cut, I imported a PNG file of my own of an earring, and it worked beautifully. Finally, I wanted to see how it would do with an image, and this vintage Virgin Mary image looks incredible. Gotta say, this new Class 1 laser from LOKLiK is fantastic and perfect if you're just getting into laser cutting and engraving. I definitely recommend it. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.